Do you have any YouTube channel?
I do.
What's the name of your channel?
It's Tafida's World.
Hafida's World?
Yeah.
Okay. So we see lots of videos in YouTube channel and Facebook. So do you have any target to be a teacher of English language in future?
Obviously, I have target to be, since I am starting from the very beginning. Obviously, I will not stop. I will go ahead and I will go and further I can go.
What is enjoyable, learning or teaching?
I would say teaching is very fun because you're teaching while learning, you are just learning by yourself. But while teaching, you're teaching someone. You might teach kids or people, and teaching it depends on you. If you're a strict teacher, then it will be like, okay, I'm a teacher, but it's not really fun. But if you teach very enjoyable to your students, then I will say teaching is really nice, and you can also get the love of your students if you do good teaching.